Another poll has shown that the governing Jamaica Labour Party is leading the opposition People's National Party in Portland Eastern. The Bill Johnson poll commissioned by the Jamaica Observer shows that 33% of respondents say they would vote for the JLP and 25% for the PNP. It was done on March 1 and 2. The JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz and the PNP's Damon Crawford are expected to square off in the by-election on April 4. Yesterday, the PNP released the results of an internal poll showing that 53% of 612 respondents gave them the thumbs up, with the governing Jamaica Labour Party trailing more than 25 points behind. It was done by the Caribbean Development Research Services. Political commentator Dr. Paul Ashley weighed in on the matter.
I have problems with the track record of both polling organizations. I wondered why the PNP has sought the Eastern Caribbean pollster. And there are various questions to be asked. And when one compares that now with the Bill Johnson polling, let me say the only thing I can conclude from the polls is that this 2,370 vote cushion that the PNP was said to have in terms of Dr. Bloomfield's winning margin seems to have evaporated totally.
The seat became vacant following the death of PNP MP Dr. Linvale Bloomfield.